Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
I'm packed and I'm holding, I'm smiling, she leaving, she golden, she leaves to me. Said she leaves to me, amazing, her motivation. She comes round and she comes round to me, and I make it smile like a drug for you. Do ever what you wanna do, I'm coming over you. Keep on smiling what we go through. One stop to the rhythm that divides you, and I speak to you like the chorus to the verse. Said another line like a cutter with a curse. I come in like a freak show, takes the stage. We give him the game, she plays to say I want something else to get me through this. Anytime I'm trying to lie. Baby, baby, I want something else. I'm not listening when you say.
Ron, Haley, welcome. Today is the day you two are jumping out of an airplane. This airplane.
Perfectly good airplane.
Whose idea was this?
Mine.
Well, it's only fair you jump out first. Ron, it'll be you and I. My name's Will. We're going skydiving. I'll see you two upstairs.
Fridges, we tore up the walls, we slept on couches, we lifted this house, we lifted this house. Firecrackers in the breeze, the car parks out, your hands on my cheeks, your shoulder in my mouth. I was up against the wall on the west mezzanine. We rattle this town, we rattle this scene.
Just jumped out of an aeroplane. How you doing?
Amazing.
Let's do a bit of a turn together. Let's go to the right. Here we go. Right. You want to try another turn? What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's go to the right. All the way down this time. Nice one.
And even though the moment passed me by.
Perfect. What'd you think?
That was amazing.
John, thank you so much. See you next time.